ones. Right. Right. Now you want to do the same thing that you did before, but you want to do it to the right hand textures. Just wait for that to load up, and I will unpause it once it's finished. That is, once I finish painting the aircraft. Okay, so I finished painting both sides of the aircraft. So what you want to do now is you want to go ahead and save both of them. So click on bitmap, and you want to save this one. The right textures. Hit save. Hit yes. Okay. And then for this one, you want to save that one as well, but you want to save it as the left textures. So hit there, bitmap, left textures, hit save, hit yes. Okay. Yeah, just save anything which you want to save. Don't need to save that. Right, so you want to come over to. You want to get, right, so you want to get this application. I'll show you what it's called in a second. This is what it is. It's DXT bitmap. Just want to open it up. I'll put a link to this in the description. Right, so you want to open that up. Then you want to grab and drag the textures to here. Just wait for it to load the textures. Alright, hit file, save as, extended bitmap, and you want to click this one, extended 16-bit 565, and then you want to save it as the left textures. So this is the left textures, as you can see. So hit save, replace it. Then grab the other one, which is the right textures, grab that in, wait for it to load. Hit file, save as, extended bitmap, right textures. Oh wait, I forgot to take it down to this one, 16-bit. Hit yes. Alright, close that down. Then just drag these there if you want. That usually helps me. Like that. Then go to the basic texture layout. Drag these into there. Sorry, I've lost something. Oh, that's right, it's gone in there. Okay, so now just copy all of these. Just copy all of these like so. Hit Control C. And then go to a aircraft which I have. So I'm just going to look to see if we've got any 747s in here. Yeah, I've got British Airways one. I'll just use that one. Open it up. Go to textures. Hit Control V to paste it. Copy and place everything. Okay, so once you've done that, just go back and you can edit the aircraft CFG file, and just to do that, just open it, change the title, like that. So yeah, just do that, hit save. I'm not going to save this one, I'm not really bothered doing that. Then just go back, copy that file here, like that, go to your flightsim folder, just paste it into the aircraft folder, or if you're using flightsim, it's sim objects is it, and then aircrafts or airplanes, something like that. So yeah, just do that, do the effects and everything. I've already got the effects in there, so I should pause this video whilst it's doing this. Okay, so it's just finished. Now, when I usually do this, I usually do the wings and the engines as well, but I'm not going to do those today just to save time. But yeah, you can usually do them. I'm going to show you the finished result in a minute using fraps. But first of all, just like to say, if you've not got Adobe Photoshop, you can go to caffeinatedman.com and you can purchase a repaint, a custom one. You tell me what you want it to look like for only 200 CAF credits, as I call them. I'll put a link to that in the description. Here it is. I'll only do fictional repaints for default aircraft and all Project Open Sky aircraft. I might allow some exceptions depending on like how big the aircraft is or how small it is. So yeah, I'll show you the clip in a minute of the aircraft. Okay, so as you can see, the repaint is working perfectly fine. If you need any help, go to my forum, http://flightsim.com/forum. Just sign up there and post something saying you need some help on the repaint or something like that. So yeah, thanks for watching, subscribe and go to my Twitter and follow me please. Thank you for watching.